We'll guide you through how to create a Wix online store, making it easy and efficient for you to launch your e-commerce business. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account, you can quickly create one by following the sign-up process. Once you're logged in, you'll want to click on the Create New Site button. This will prompt you to choose the type of website you want to create. Select Online Store from the options. Wix will then ask if you want to use the Wix ADI, which stands for Artificial Design Intelligence, or if you want to create your store using the Wix editor. For more customization, I recommend using the Wix editor. Choose a template that matches your brand style and click Edit. Now you're in the Wix editor, where you can start customizing your store. You can change the text, images, and layout by clicking on each element and using the editing tools that appear. To add products to your store, go to the left sidebar, click on Store Products, and then Add New Product. Fill in the details like product name, description, price, and upload high-quality images. Once you've added your products, you'll need to set up payment methods. Go to Settings on the left sidebar, then Accept Payments. Choose the payment providers you want to offer, like PayPal or Stripe, and connect your accounts. Next, configure your shipping options under the Settings tab by selecting Shipping and Delivery. Here, you can set your shipping regions, rates, and any other delivery options you want to provide. When you're satisfied with the design and setup of your store, click Publish in the top right corner to make your store live. And that's it. You've successfully created a Wix online store. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.